Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce you my friend, Chef Poppy, who is the new chef here at Terrace Hotel Slipway.
Hi,
Hello,
Victor.
Poppy.
Welcome.
Hello, how are you?
Welcome to Terrace.
Thank you very much.
The
Thank
new
you.
Italian Terrace.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Poppy, tell me, you are really Italian?
Me?
Yeah.
E che te lo dico fare? Of course I'm Italian.
Is it easy to cook Italian food here in Africa, in Tanzania?
Yes, it's very easy because you have a lot of fresh food here, fresh vegetable, fresh fish. So we use 90% all local food.
And now we'll be cooking Italian food here, yeah? Italian chakula. Chakula che italiano.
Chakula italiano.
Okay, okay. So what will you show us from Italian?
Okay. Today we go to make a very simple food. We make a kind of salad. In Italy we make in summertime.
Oh,
Summertime salad is come from Genova near the sea. So of course it's a mix of fresh vegetable and fish and basil because basil is classic of Genova.
oh, me, I love salads because they make me skinny. But I should eat them instead of food, not after food.
But the problem is the bread you eat with it.
Yes. What are the ingredients? Can you name them, please?
Yes, of course. Onion, boiled egg, black olives, bell pepper, tuna, fresh tuna, French beans, basil, this is tuna already cooked, and tomato. Very simple.
Mm-hmm.
We make the season only with our oil. This is oil we prepare with our fresh herbs, chili oil, normal oil, and some salt. Very simple.
Okay, so let's cut it, yeah?
We start with the pepper. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, take your cut. Eh?
Hold it, yeah? No,
Okay.
no. Hey! Okay, Poppy, tell me.
Yes.
Why are you using now black olives and not green olives?
Okay, because black olives is typical from Genova. Green olives, they come from other part of the Italy. For this kind of salad, we go to use this.
So we are using black olives because the green olives would be more expensive to bring. I'm making baby olives now, small ones. Which fish is this?
This is fresh tuna, you see, very fresh tuna. We must cut in small cubes. After we go to freeze, and the result will be this.
Oh, wow. Samaki.
Salmon.
And tell me, are you using a lot of seafood in Italy?
Yes, we use a lot of seafood, and most of the seafood is similar to the Tanzanian seafood.
Oh.
Here I come from Sardinia, is a kisiwa like Zanzibar, so I know the seafood very well.
Okay, so you are from Italian Zanzibar. Very
Yes,
nice.
I'm Zanzibarian Italian.
And next are eggs. And tell me,
Yes.
the secret. There is no production of proper Italian pasta here in Tanzania. How do you get pasta?
Yes, okay, we get some pasta like spaghetti we import from Italy, but most of them is fresh pasta we make homemade here. In the restaurant we have a laboratory where we make ravioli, gnocchi, tortellini, tagliatelle, fettuccine, everything.
Italian pasta laboratory here at Slipway Hotel Terrace. Very good, very
exactly.
good.